Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Dream11 and logging in. Make sure your account is verified. Once done, go to the Contests tab and select Private Contest. You enter the private contest code immediately, type it exactly as sent. If you don't have the pass yet, request it from the host. If you do, confirm your balance and confirm entry. This first action puts you into the private lobby so you can build your team specifically for that contest's rules. Once inside the private contest, you build your team to fit the contest's salary cap and role constraints. Make sure to choose captain and vice-captain with strategy in mind, and double-check any match-specific rules. After assembling, validate the team, look for missing credits or invalid roles. The app will flag these. If everything looks good, confirm entry to lock the team. This step ensures your lineup is eligible and optimized for the private pool. You finish by completing any payment and locking your team before the contest deadline, so changes can't affect eligibility. Once locked, go back to the contest list and verify you appear as a participant in that private lobby. If you don't see your name, first re-enter the passcode and check transaction status. If the issue persists, contact Dream11 support with your transaction ID. That troubleshooting step resolves most problems quickly, so you don't miss the contest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.